There we go. Let's go ahead and head on inside for an interior tour. And this gentleman opening the gate for us is Mr. Kim Rogers. He's the board president out here and the driving force in making this get done. There we go. Okay. All right, so here we have double doors leading in. And that's the alarm. There we go. Here we have double doors leading in. If you notice, we have zero clearance on the threshold. And we're fairly watertight. And let's come in here and turn on some lights. Oh, that was the fans. Okay. All right, so let me get an angle here. Here we have an overview of the main meeting room, and as you can see, they have it set up for their board meetings, but this is also rented out, which is why there are so many chairs and tables that can be used. And if you, like I said, if you live in this neighborhood, you have that opportunity. This is their kitchen. We gave them a nice big buffet style kitchen because let's face it, when you rent out a clubhouse, you're probably going to be feeding some people. All right. In here we have all solid wood cabinets, no particle board. We have a laminate countertop. This was done to make sure that we could save them some money and fit within their budget, because a countertop can be replaced at any time. Nice big double bowl sink. Looks like somebody's added a microwave. They actually provided their own refrigerator. And these pendant lights up here were purchased by the board, and we just installed them. Likewise, the ceiling fans up here were also purchased by them. In the kitchen, we have a nice big pantry. Now, this pantry was supposed to be deep on this side, but not on this side. This was supposed to be an AC return closet. However, when the mechanical guys showed up, they said, no, we don't want to do that. We can get better airflow if we place our AC returns right here, and we're going to go around to the mechanical room here, straight to the bottom of the unit, so there's no extra footage for moving that air. Okay, so that's mechanical room, boring. As we come through here, you'll notice that it kind of looks like a bit of a stage up here. One of the reasons is the engineer required us to put a steel girder through here, and we have steel posts in here, and that is for wind shear because of where we live. If you come in here to one of the bathrooms, it's just a simple bathroom. We've got our grab bars, we've got our sink. Of course, we've wrapped the pipes underneath. There we go. And let's turn out that light. Over here is the other restroom with the toilet and the sink and an ugly guy holding a camera. And that's about it for this room. This is that door I told you that was an emergency exit only. If you notice, there's a push bar on it, but there is no actual doorknob on the outside. It's not for entry purposes, only for exiting. And then, of course, we have push bars on these doors. We also install fire extinguishers by every exit. by design. And while you're in here in this meeting room, you will see we get plenty of light from the windows, and we get to see pretty trees, so you can have a nice worry-free meeting. All right, that's it for the inside of the clubhouse. Now let's go check out the bathhouse. Okay, this is the pool bathhouse, and Mr. Kim is going to open these doors for us so we can show you around a little bit. In here, since this is the pool bathhouse, we have a simple sink, we have a urinal for the boys, we have a toilet. If you notice, our dividers are cinder block. You will notice that there are no outlets on the wall, or switches on the wall or outlets. This is by design. This is a wet room. If you notice, we have vents up here in this cinder block wall. The cinder block wall is what they call a cool wall, and there's actually a space behind there and another cinder block wall behind it. And what happens during the day is that cool air is released up in here, and it makes it not so hot because this room is not air conditioned. Okay.
In this one, someone came.
Okay, here's the female's bathroom. They actually get 2 toilets because they're girls. And I don't know if I had one of these in the other restroom, right? I did not? That was very sexist of me. Usually we put these in the boys' and the girls' restrooms. And this is just a baby changing station for the little ones. And of course, this only goes in the girls' bathroom, and nobody wants to fill it. Okay. Let's go around to the lifeguard room. Water fountain. All right, so this is the lifeguard's room. In here we have the switch. That switch right there is for the bathroom lights that were on. We just turned them off.
The police department uses it.
Okay. This is just the lifeguard's room. There's nothing special about here. We got some pool furniture in here. They keep the backboard in here and other safety equipment, first aid and the such. They have an emergency phone here. They have one out there, which is outside, which is their 911 phone. Our main electrical comes in here and splits off and goes to a panel inside the clubhouse, as well as a panel inside the pump room, which is where we're going to go next. This is just an all cinder block, unlike the clubhouse, which is stick framed and brick exterior. This is cinder block framed and brick exterior. Okay. All right, this is going to be really quick. I'm going to try to talk over the pumps, but it's going to be loud. Is it sticking? Other way. There we go. Okay. In here we have all the pumps and the filters for the pool, along with automatic chlorinators, and several switches for different items on the pool. The sprinkler controller is also in here. There is a water intake inside this room, so adding water to the pool can be done from in here and not with a hose into the pool. Any one of these filters can be bypassed. Any one of these chlorinators can be bypassed so that they can work on pumps and or filters or clean certain filters. A lot of the questions for in here should be answered by a pool guy, which I am not. Oh, let's turn off this light. All right. Well, that concludes our tour of Settlers Village. If you want to buy a house out here, they got a brand new high school, brand new clubhouse, and a brand new pool. That's all for this time. Thank you.